for the headlines. Weather forecast. The northeast monsoon and easterly winds will result in rainfall across various regions. Local news. Oro receives an award for effective financial management form. Former Cagayan De Oro mayor may reveal evidence against Mayor Clarex regarding the billion-peso liabilities narrative. Councilor Judith pushed for the installation of the bridge or portalet in Barangay Makasandi. National news. 2 police officers have been cited for contempt by a House panel investigating the Parañaque raid. The Philippine National Police is keeping a close watch on organizations supporting the secession of Mindanao. International news. The number of teachers in Japan taking leave due to the mental illness has reached a record high. Entertainment. Catherine Bernardo expresses gratitude to fans for embracing her individual journey, saying nakita nila ako bilang tao. Celebrities pay tribute and commemorate the legacy of Dreamscape head Dio and Rinal. Sports. PBA Commissioner Marshall plans to summon Abuevas and Tautua following their altercation after the game. Organizers of Messi match expressed profound regret over the absence and cancel their funding request. International feature. Taylor Swift is set to release a new album on April 19. National feature. Jody Santa Maria is spotted visiting Antarctica. And trivia. Are you aware that the eye of an ostrich is larger than its brain? Good morning, Philippines! Magandang umaga, Luzon, ug maayong adlaw, Visayas ug Mindanao. Today is Wednesday, February 7, 2024. And Nanya Mathalia Pisanyel. Weather forecast. The northeast monsoon and easterly winds will result in rainfall across various regions. On Monday, the northeast monsoon or amihan and easterlies will persist, bringing cloudy skies and rain to various areas, as indicated in the Pag-asa weather forecast. Batanes and Babuyan Islands are expected to experience partly cloudy to cloudy conditions with isolated light rains due to the monsoon. Metro Manila and other regions can anticipate partly cloudy to cloudy skies with isolated rain showers or thunderstorms caused by the easterlies and localized thunderstorms. Severe thunderstorms may lead to flash floods or landslides. Coastal waters in the eastern sections of southern Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao will moderate to rough, while in northern Luzon they will be moderate and slight to moderate in the rest of the country. Local news. Oro receives an award for effective financial management form. Cagayan De Oro has been lauded for its outstanding financial management, earning the 2023 Good Financial Housekeeping Seal under Mayor Orlando Clarix Uy's leadership. The City Mayor's Office announced this achievement, highlighting the city's commitment to financial transparency and accountability. The accolade, acknowledged by the Department of the Interior and local government, signifies the city's adherence to ethical governance and successful financial policies. Chief of Staff Sheila Lumbatan credited the accomplishment to collective efforts within Mayor Uy's administration, emphasizing the city's dedication to governance excellence. This recognition serves as a benchmark, showcasing Cagayan de Oro's capability in effective financial management and reinforcing confidence among residents and investors. Mayor Uy expressed gratitude to city staff, pledging to uphold governance and financial management standards for the city's benefit. Moving forward, the city aims to build on this success, ensuring responsible financial stewardship and continued transparency. Cagayan de Oro's financial housekeeping recognition sets a motivational example for other local governments, emphasizing the pivotal role of responsible financial management in fostering sustainable development. Former Cagayan de Oro mayor may reveal evidence against Mayor Clarex regarding the billion peso liabilities narrative. Cagayan de Oro City former city mayor Oscar Moreno threatened to expose alleged irregularities against incumbent city mayor Rolando Clarix Uy regarding the unresolved financial obligations of the city administration. The former mayor pointed out that the city hall has not made payments for about 25 months to service providers, resulting in an estimated financial obligation of nearly 3 billion pesos under the current mayor's term. Moreno claimed that Uy's statement is false, citing a payment of 25 million pesos made to Xavier University for the use of their facilities during the recent COVID-19 crisis. In response, Uy's Chief of Staff Sheila Lumbatan defended that over 2 billion pesos was already paid by the city government from the outstanding financial obligations left by Moreno. The conflicting statements highlighting the dispute over the city's financial responsibilities during the 25-month period under Moreno's leadership, with Uy asserting non-payment and nearly 3 billion pesos in recorded obligations. Governor Onabia challenged Oro and Bis-Or congressmen to work hard for the development of Laguindingan Airport, MICP, and railway project. Governor Peter M. Onabia of Paglaum challenges congressmen in Misamis Oriental and Cagayan de Oro to unite in driving forward three crucial projects: Laguindingan Airport, Mindanao Container Port, and the Mindanao Railway Project. He emphasizes that the focus extends beyond Laguindingan Airport, highlighting the necessity of development in the Mindanao Container Port and the long-pending Mindanao Railway Project. Governor Onabia underscores the challenging nature of these tasks but encourages collaborative efforts among leaders for the realization of these major projects, anticipating substantial benefits in terms of job creation and diverse employment opportunities for the people in the region. Councilor Judith pushed for the installation of the bridge or portalet in Barangay Makasanding. Pushed by Councilor Attorney James Judith in the council that the bridge in Barangay Makasanding will be installed with a pansayan or portalet, after being made a night cafe in the barangay every Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday. Councilor Judith said that it has been a problem in the area for a long time because it is difficult for the foreigners, especially the women, when they use the comfort room. The councilor clarified that it is only temporary until the issue of the road right of way in the barangay is completed. We went to a mall earlier and we interviewed a seller who sells ice cream. And guys, their charcoal ice cream is delicious, so let's watch this.
I'm Chiralyn. Actually, I'm Chiralyn Apugan Galia. Kuan, taga kami gini siya ma'am. Dili man nag-boarding house mi dito sa GR Borja. Tas kani ang kuan dani nasa GR Borja Burgos Street ang iyang production. So ang brand ani po ng uban apod sa Carmen Pugon nasa Mogs na to sa estito na pero nakuan pa mi dito. Sa kuan adtong una is kuan na pa ni itong 2022. Nag-start niya siya sa 2022. Actually, mama, kuan gini siya alis, gini siya tanan ang silabod ani. Pero ang uban gid sa garaan po ng paliton sa uban kay. Pero gid sa ko lami man gid siya tanan ma'am kay pure gini siya. Kaning cookies and cream ug kaning durian ma'am. Dili yung makanak sa ka galon ang kuan ma'am. Ay kuan ma'am, wala siya nang gallons ma'am, na 1,000 ang kanang kuan ko mo dili na siguro na available ang kuan kanang 3 gallons ma'am 2,500. Kuan ma'am, by order na siya ma'am. Ay para pud sa ako apod ma'am gyud. Wala pag masulti kay puro gyud siya lami gyud siya tanan. Oh yes ma'am, manang ang kuan gyud prices ana ma'am. 1 scoop 30 and 2 scoop ma'am 50 and 40 ml 16 nang 750 ml 170 then.
So kanang 3 nga gallons ma'am, so na kanang
ano siya? Ay kanang wala gyud siya mix ana ma'am kay maglisod man gud ang mamuhatay ma'am kay basin niya mausa-usa bitaw. Maisa ra gyud na siya ka flavor. Yes ma'am. Tas maka-worth dili man gyud sa kuan masayangan gyud ni mang kwarta man kay worth it man gud kay siya gyud. Para sa ko worth it gyud siya. Ano siya, muna siya ang dani o, dinhi sa, nako diri sa, kuan, sa Kugon or Rama, dani sa, ning Montflower, Montflower Camiguin. Yes, ma'am, taga Camiguin, napod mi tanan mo, mga trabahante. Wala. Kuan po ka nang ano po mo, taga Camiguin, Camiguin dalas tanan.
Kung among baligyan namo is more on smartphones or laptop. Apoy kuan pod mga gaming laptop or mga monitor, printer, speaker o mga kuan dayon. Etc. mga tablets dayon. Ang brand ng mga baligya is kasagara gid mga kuan gid siya, mga kani iPhone o kani mga iPhone or sa og mga Android dayon si Xiaomi, Poco, iPhone na kani siya si iPhone 11 mura gid ang kuan the cheapest na kani siya may halinon nila sa mga pangmasa gid sa mga kuan na to, kababayan na to is iPhone 11. Yung price is 28,400 ni siya. So barato rin siya lower than SRP, 128 gig yung storage ko dani. 4 gig RAM ni siya. So sa mga 4 gig ni halos sa mga iPhone kusog-kusog na pud ni siya. Kani sa halin-halinon kuan gid siya dili siya ingon nga only one brand lang ang pinahalinon siguro kaning kuan gyud kani si Infinix, Tecno, kani silang duha may mga top mo ni mga top na to kaning duha si Infinix ug si Tecno. Then for sa kuan dayon for more on camera si Realme, si Xiaomi. Then sa pinaka-top na to sa kuan na to sa for overall gaming kani si Poco. Manang kuana sa mga overall gaming gid sila. Atong available na to is naatay HP, Asus o Lenovo o mga tulungan ni abot sa mga brand namo sa laptop. Dili tanan nga medyo kuan mo siya. Ang kuan gid kasagara sa mga kuan gid ang kuan nila is Acer or Lenovo. So si Lenovo is more gid siya ang kuan gid kanang high spec gid siya nga lower price gid siya. Pero ang kasagara gid sa mga more on quality pud sa magipangita pud sa mga pang college or kuan is Acer. Si Acer gid ang well known gid na siya nga brand gid si Acer. Affordable pud si Acer pud.
Si Bimbo nga barbak natay kung sa specs nato siya natay specs nga sa Intel natay Core i3, Core i5 nya. Kung sa AMD pod natay Athlon natay 18 gyapon pinakaubos. Sunod Athlon ay haday ng Ryzen 3 ano siya Ryzen 3, Ryzen 5, Ryzen 7 nasad ta sa Intel nasad tay i7 natay kining board ring nga available Gigabyte o BioStar natay MSI ASRock. Sa atong graphics card napunta kuan kining 4070 Ti o 4060 Ti. Ang price ani sir 61,000 ang 4070 Ti. 4060 Ti nasa 31,000 plus. Ang Galax nasa 13,000 ang katong iyang 1660. 8 gig na siya, 6 gig siya sir. Natay dire mga RAM available daghan, Panther ang available o RAM stock.
Kung mag-apply si client og home credit, need na mo is one valid ID lang sir. Sample, kung new client siya is one valid ID tapos 30% down payment. Kung reloaner ka, sir, pwede na po na mo i-check imong account, basi na siya low down payment, kasi pwede na siya 200, ini yung item yung kaon, sir. Like, siya na ang bahala kung sa kaon yung item, basta low down payment lang yun siya. New client is 30% down payment, sir. Pero nami bago nga karon system generated na mi, sir, ha. Sir, ang bago nga system, if ever kung new client si customer, need niya og source of income, mag-base yung credit sa yung source of income mo, yung application nga ginhatag sa amo. Kaya mag-approve man na, sir, main Manila ang mag-approve na, sir. Then sa kung depende ni client ang pilahon niya ka months bayaran, sir. Tapos kay terms nga 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, 15 months, at 18 months. If ever makabayad si customer sa iyang first payment, butang na to, 6 months yung term na ginahatag, pwede ra niya i-advance og bayad, pwede siya manawag sa customer service para 4 months or 3 months na po siya low down payment, sir. Automatic kasi, siya, sir, kaning good payer. Tawagan niya, first is tawagan niya si customer service, sir, na inform siya nga iyang i-palipid og bayad. Kung reloaner na mo, sir, is i-check ang account ni sir or ni ma'am, automatic na siya low down payment. Ang iyang i-down service and bundle yung paon. Pwede rin po furniture, appliance, cellphone, gadgets, laptops, cosmetics, school supply, cellphones, mga sir, headset, pwede po bundle, mga laptop, mga speaker, printer, monitor, keyboard. Kung wala kay cash, sir, pwede rin po utang. Need lang na mo, ID lang yun, 30% down payment, mga sir. Pakita lang si home credit. National news. 2 police officers have been cited for contempt by a House panel investigating the Parañaque raid. In the House Committee on Public Order and Safety Inquiry, 2 police officials, former Southern Police District Chief Brigade General Roderick Mariano and former SPD Comptroller Colonel Charlie Cabradilla, were cited in the contempt for allegedly providing false information about a police raid in Parañaque City last September. The motion, initiated by ACT CIS Party List Representative Erwin Tulfo, received panel approval, resulting in a 30-day detention for Mariano and Cabradilla. This decision followed criticism of the delayed reporting of recovered cash during the raid, initially reported as 4.6 million pesos instead of the actual 27 million pesos. The probe, based on the House Resolution 1471, examines alleged unlawful arrests and bribery involving Chinese nationals. Among the 45 police personnel investigated, 34 are facing summary dismissal proceedings. The Philippine National Police is keeping a close watch on organizations supporting the secession of Mindanao. The Philippine National Police confirmed on Monday its surveillance of groups advocating for Mindanao separation from the Philippines, following former President Rodrigo Duterte's recent statement on the matter. PNP Chief General Benjamin Acorda Jr. specified that they are examining those discussing the interest in Mindanao separation. with a focus on potential seditious or violent intentions. Duterte had suggested the idea amid tensions with President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., mentioning a signature drive led by Representative Pantaleon Alvarez. While legal experts dispute the UN process claim, Accorder emphasized the PNP's anonymous opposition to Mindanao secession, assuring the public against concerns of chaos and reiterating the organization's political stance. Accorda warned officers supporting the separation, stating that any involvement may lead to relief or transfer. International news. The number of teachers in Japan taking leave due to mental illness has reached a record high. In fiscal 2022, the number of Japanese public school teachers taking leave due to mental illness reached a record high of 6,539, reflecting a surge of 1,300 in 2 years since the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic. This figure, representing 0.71% of all teachers, marked the second consecutive annual increase and was attributed to an augmented workload amid pandemic-related challenges, including infection prevention measures. Education experts also pointed to a growing trend in complaints from students' parents. The shortage of teachers in Japan, coupled with the profession's perceived heavy workload, has been identified as a serious issue. The Education Ministry aims to address this by promoting work style reform, focusing on reducing paperwork and addressing long working hours. Additionally, the survey revealed that the number of teachers punished for sexual violence remained above 200 for the 10th consecutive year, with male teachers constituting 98% of the total cases. The report also noted a reversal in the downward trend of teachers punished for corporal punishment, totaling 397 in fiscal 2022. Entertainment. Catherine Bernardo expresses gratitude to fans for embracing her individual journey, saying nakita nila ako bilang tao. Actress Catherine Bernardo expressed gratitude to her fans for their support amid the challenges she faced last year when transitioning to a solo career. In an interview, she acknowledged the mixed emotions from fans following her breakup with longtime love team partner Daniel Padilla. Bernardo thanked her fans, emphasizing that they see her as a person beyond her public persona. She appreciated their respect for her decisions and assured them that things are gradually improving. The actress conveyed her willingness to face challenges in her solo career, highlighting her happiness and contentment. Bernardo looks forward to exploring diverse roles and appreciates the freedom to make decisions that align with her personal and professional growth. Celebrities pay tribute and commemorate the legacy of Dreamscape head Dio Endrinal. Celebrities are expressing grief over the passing of Dreamscape Entertainment head Dio Endrinal, who died on February 3 at the age of 60. Notable figures like Judy Ann Santos, Jody Santa Maria, Ann Curtis, Vice Ganda, and Dimples Romana took to social media to pay tribute to Endrinal. His ashes will be taken to the ABS-CBN chapel before the Thursday interment, as shared by his close friend Kate Valenzuela. A significant gathering is scheduled for Endrinal on Wednesday, featuring performances by Martin Rivera, Eric Santos, Regine Velasquez, Augie Alcacid, and Angeline Quinto each night until Friday. Sports. PBA Commissioner Marshall plans to summon Abuevas and Tautua following their altercation after the game. PBA Commissioner Willie Marshall and his team are actively investigating the Commissioner's Cup Finals incident involving Magnolia's Calvin Abueva, San Miguel's Mo Tautua, and their wives. Marshall has been in touch with Tautua and the San Miguel camp, expressing the need to gather videos and statements from witnesses. The altercation occurred after Game 2, with Abueva daring Tautua to a fist fight. Marshall noted that Abueva's past incidents might be concerned in the league's decision. The commissioner also raised the possibility of restricting both players' wives from attending games. While sanctions are pending, Marshall prioritizes discussions with the involved parties and evidence collection before the third finals game on Wednesday. Organizers of Messi match expressed profound regret over the absence and canceled their funding request. Organizers of a Hong Kong football match expressed deep regret over the absence of star player Lionel Messi, who had been contracted to play, and announced the withdrawal of a 16 million Hong Kong dollars government grant bid. Tatler Asia CEO stated that Messi, sidelined due to a leg muscle strain, was meant to feature in the pre-season friendly. The disappointment led to boos from fans, prompting the organizers to forego the government grant. Despite government officials being assured Messi would play, the information changed only half-time. The Consumer Council received 38 complaints about the match, involving 216,964 Hong Kong dollars in expenses. Messi and Inter Miami are scheduled to play in Tokyo on Wednesday, pending his recovery from injury. International feature.
Grammy goes to Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift is set to release a new album on April 19. American pop icon Taylor Swift revealed her plans to release a new album titled Tortured Poets Department this year, following her Grammy win for Best Pop Vocal Album with Midnight. Swift, expressing gratitude to fans and the Recording Academy, shared the news during her acceptance speech, stating that she has been working on the album for 2 years. The announcement was accompanied by a poetic message from Swift. The 11th studio album is set to drop on April 19, adding to Swift's extensive musical catalog at Grammy accolades. Adding to Swift's extensive musical catalog and Grammy accolades. National feature. Jody Santa Maria is spotted visiting Antarctica. Kapamilya actress Jody Santa Maria happily announced that she has checked off the seventh continent from her bucket list by visiting Antarctica. Sharing a series of snapshots on Instagram capturing her memorable moments in the icy region, the award-winning actress described the experience as feeling like being on another planet while still on Earth. Peaceful, quiet, and magical. Santa Maria expressed that photos only a fraction of the profound sensations she encountered in Antarctica, emphasizing the humbling feeling of being both tiny and consequential. After her role in Unbreak My Heart, she disclosed plans for a new project, portraying a triathlete and starring in a biography film about martial law activist Edgar Jobson alongside Elijah Canlas. Trivia! Are you aware that the eye of an ostrich is larger than its brain? The ostrich, the world's largest bird, possesses eyes that are largest in the entire animal kingdom, surpassing the size of its brain. Measuring approximately 2 inches in diameter, nearly the size of a billiard ball, the ostrich eyes are crucial adaptation to its terrestrial lifestyle. Contrary to a popular misconception, when the ostrich senses danger, it doesn't bury its head in the sand. With a towering height of up to 9 feet, facilitated by its long neck and legs, the ostrich gains a remarkable vantage point over grasslands and bushes. The large eyes, equipped with a significant number of photoreceptor cells and capturing expansive images, enable the ostrich to discern intricate details of potential threats even from considerable distances. The visual acuity, combined with its powerful legs, empowers the ostrich to swiftly escape from any perceived danger. And that was the information we got from here and abroad. Keep listening and watching. Please subscribe, follow, like, and share Pinoy Rob on YouTube channel. And thank you very much for watching Pinoy Rob News Channel Cagayan De Oro. And I am asking once more to support and subscribe and turn on notification for more updates and more info. I repeat, thank you very much and have a wonderful day.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.